A1 archery hunting 365, no off season.
Now it's Josh Rye on a great deer hunt in Wisconsin. Man.
Almost the last end of the season here. Gun hunting opens next weekend. Just got back from Missouri, a great hunt down at Tombstone Creek. Here we are. I just had a little 1.5-year buck come into my decoy, posturing up to it, and then a bigger buck, a mature buck, came in, saw that little one underneath me, and hopefully I got on video here, but came in charging and offered a great 20-yard quartering away shot, and I made a good hit on it, heard the deer go down. So the recovery will be short to follow here. But man, it doesn't get better than this. This is an A1 archery, hunting 365, no off season.
Here I am walking up on him now. I mean, he's a great Wisconsin buck. Like I said, this weekend's the last day of the season before gun hunting opens up. So I'm very happy. I've spent a lot of hours in the tree stand this year.